So as I said, like if I try to delete any records in updatable ledger, you don't get any error. Why? Because updatable ledger means everything you can update, insert or delete, and everything it will get recorded. But coming to append table, now I'm copying this table. Okay, I'm going to production database and click create. Now I'm able to done that. Right now I'm inserting record. I have inserted. Now, if I try to delete, okay, and I'm unable to do that. Even though if I truncate table name. See, I'm unable to do that. Why? Because this is updatable ledger. Everything you can insert, okay, and apart from that, you cannot delete or you cannot truncate or delete the records in or insert the records into this table because this is like updatable ledger. Okay, sorry, append only tables. Okay, and if you try that, it will upload it. For example, I will try to update. See, updatable ledger. Okay, so now how we can migrate the data from normal, how we need to convert the normal tables into ledger only tables. For that, what I will do here is uh, um, I will refresh. Now, yeah, I will do. So I'm here. I'm a one normal table, and it will contain. Sorry, select star from balance. Click execute. I don't have any records in that, right? Now what I will do here, I will do insert from balance. Okay. Now if I see I am having one record in the dbo.balance normal table. Now I want to convert that into ledger table. So for that, what you just create one more table with the same structure with the ledger is equal to system version is equal to on. So I'm just creating one table here. Now, yeah, this is right. Ledger register uh, 01. Okay, now if I click create, so I have created one table with ledger table. Now I want to move the data from dbo.balance to this table. So for that we have one more command which is given by Microsoft itself. Here we can see with the stored procedure. Okay, and now I'm copying here. Here what you need to see here is okay one here sp underscore copy data the source table name balance ledger. Okay, this is the source table name. Okay, this is the source table. They are not. This is the not the source, right? Yeah, this is the source table balance, and this is the balance ledger table. Okay, now if I click execute, command got successfully. Now it means we have successfully updated the table. Now if I see here, so copy this table name, select star from See, I got one record. It means we have moved the data from normal table to ledger table. Now, if you want, you can drop or first, or you can delete the table, okay? Or otherwise, you can wait for some time and later on, once each and every test got succeed, and I mean, whatever that other operations that might depend on this table, right? Once everything is set right, then you can drop this database. Okay, now my doubt is like, how can I trust this data? Either data is not yet tampered by any chance. For that, we have one more option called in the go to the list database and go to ledger here. Here you need to enable automatic digest. Okay, now click save. Okay, once it is done, you have to click verify. Now copy this, and you have to go to the new query, paste it. You will get this error. Why? Because this has to get completed. Once the deployment got completed, then only you will see the status, whether it is uh, succeeded or not. You just wait for minutes. Yeah, it is done. Now you just go to here, click execute. Now you can go to the master. Okay, why is it done? Okay, now new production database, and go come here and digest settings, right? Just refresh. And this is done. Go to resource group, go to SQL databases production DB. Now come to ledger. Yeah, now it got selected. Okay, now this is done. Click on verify once again. You can copy here as well. Done. Now click run. See, here we can see ledger verification succeeded. Now if I paste it here, see, now ledger verification, it means the backend ledger digest is not yet tampered yet. So using this, you can confirm to the auditors or to the clients as well, the data in these tables are trusted. So this is all about the ledger, and we will see you in the next session. Thank you.